What's up, everybody? It's your boy Richard, and today we're going to be reacting to Pencilmation because, yeah, I just decided to react to Pencilmation because I made a post on what should I react to next, and most of you guys picked Pencilmation. Like, iBots just got completely crushed, like, just completely got annihilated. So we're gonna be reacting to Pencilmation. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Man, bro, chill out, bro. Bro's like going crazy, bro. Man, like, man, keep it down, bro. Pencilmate's like, bro, I don't give a shit about this. I don't give a shit about Banban's kindergarten. Nabnab. Damn. Showed him that Nabnab pictures. Damn, this video got that much likes. And the video's all about Nabnab just eating a little kid. Man, get the hell out of the way, man! Get out of here! Boy, bro, he's gonna let him eat his cheeks, bro? What the hell? Well, anyways, yes, we're back. As I was saying, bro, you're gonna let Nabnab eat your cheeks, bro? What the hell? You're just gonna let him eat your cheeks? My guy, why is he so small, my guy? Why does he have a band-aid on his damn cheek? On his, like, bro, what the hell? Yeah, like, get that shit off me, bro. We're gonna crush him. Man, of course, the app. Man, why is he so small? Bro, what the hell? Man, what the hell? Man, what the hell? Did he just, like, feed him orange juice or something? What? Bro, that boy just ate the whole pencil. I could literally use Nabnab as a pencil sharpener. I could use Nabnab as a pencil sharpener. He's getting bigger. Every time he eats something, he gets bigger. Okay, that's a Lego brick. He even ate a battery. A safe. A TV. A pig. Another pig. My guy, I don't think you should make him big. Yeah, you did. Yup. Yeah, he did. Bro just feed him his phone. Bro just fed him his phone. Bro, oh my god. Bro sucking on him, man. What the hell? Man, that bro was like, why would he throw his phone into Nabnab's? I don't know, but let's just react to the next video. Alrighty, guys, now we're gonna be reacting to Seline vs. Pencilmation, aka Pencilmate. Where's Seline? What is that? His like little you bet? Oh, that's so gross. What is that? Oh my god. It's like his, oh my god. What in the world? Why does Seline look like that? Oh my god. Man, bro, what the hell? Seline just made a nibbler face. What the hell? You dead, miss. Man, you better get those legs working. working, bro. Yeah, what are you gonna do now? Man, you are ugly as hell. My guy, you are ugly as hell. What is he doing? He's making a bubble? Oh, he's using the bubble to... Bro, what was that? My guy... Bro, where was he? Bro, my guy, what were you aiming at? Were you aiming at the bubble or at the freaking pit? Cause it looks like he was aiming for the pit. Yeah, you did, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did, bro. Big sausage. Bro, come on. I know you like sausage, bro. Even with a little bit of salt. There we go. Eat it up, bro. I don't know why the hell Slow Seline looks like a boy. Even the fact that I don't know why I don't know why the hell Slow Seline sounds like a goddamn boy, but Slow Seline is actually a girl. Slow Seline is a girl. You better not do it, bro. Oh my god, bro. That is so gross. Oh, it's the girl. Man, what the hell? What is this? What is this one? Pencilmate meets Opila bird? There's Opila bird. Bro, hold up. Hold up. Run that back, bro. Do you see this guy's face, bro? Boy don't even look like he's interested playing this game. Oh my god. I mean, that's my face when I'm playing Doors. Like, bro does not look interested playing this game, bro. I mean, I would make the same face if I was playing Doors. Well, guess what, boy? You're in the game now. Now Opila's gonna kill you! My guy, what in the world? Why does Opila's legs literally look like sticks? I can literally use her feet to make a snowman. I can make a snowman and just like remove Opila's legs. I could just take Opila's legs and just use them as hands for the snowman. Why is her legs like that? Just sticks. Her legs literally look like they're sticks. Why would he... Bro, what the hell? Okay, bro. First off, I don't know why the hell you're serving dog shit to Opila bird in a dog bowl. She ain't no damn dog. I mean, she could be one. I could make her one, but there's no way she's gonna eat that. Bro, what is that, bro? What the... Yeah, I don't think she liked it, bro. Okay, she took... Oh my gosh, she's gonna make a nest. Yeah. And then she shits out an egg out of her ass. And now there's two of them now. What? My guy's literally... Bro literally got a pet hawk. I don't think Opila bird knows how to fly. Opila bird's like... Bitch, why are you making that face at me? Yeah, does it look like she can fly? I mean, he can fly. Now you're gonna be the damn dog now. Alright guys, I think we'll end it right there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do. And I am out. And I'm out. Peace.